Well guys, ultimately we are here on the side of this beautiful Sheosar Lake. Sheosar Lake is the part of Deosai Plains. It's the Deosai National Park, protected area. And can you see the beauty, the reflection of sunshine in the waters of this beautiful lake. And on the other side you can see the snow-capped mountains. And definitely in this water of this Sheosar Lake, there's trout fish, and this is actually protected area where wildlife is also dwelling in the surroundings. And we have just read on the board that the brown bears, marmots, and some other fantastic species of animals are also living, inhabiting in the surrounding areas. Beautiful clouds on the sky. This is a wonderful area. If you say that if I want to explain in few words, I think it will be difficult for me, because once you experience these areas, then you are able to absorb the beauty of nature and originality of this wonderful part of Pakistan. Well, the trekking is obviously not easy. Coming to these areas is difficult. It's off-road track actually for jeeps, but luckily we have reached over here. So he's my buddy.
Hello,
and actually ultimately we are finally here. I was just telling the guys about the beauty of this area and the protected area
yeah, protected. More than 73 bears are over here.
Yeah,
and more than, I think so, more than 400 snow leopard.
Snow leopards, yeah, exactly. The beauty of the Pakistani mountains.
And lots of marmots.
Yeah, I have just seen some mountains. I was just telling that although it's not so much easy to come over here, but once you are here, then you glorify your eyes from the beauty. Unexplainable actually.
And this lake is also called as Blind Lake.
Blind Lake.
Yes.
From little bit distance ahead,
because nobody knows where the water comes from.
Yeah,
nobody knows
the water source. We are not confirming, and I think that's up. The depth is also unknown.
You see something? I want to show you.
Yeah.
When you, the grass over here, full of water.
Full of
water grass.
Yeah. On this side, you can see the beauty. Oxygen level is also low, but once you are here, then after a few minutes, your body definitely develops. And Nadeem Saab is also here. Nadeem is also the guy, the super guy.
Yeah, my man.
He's my buddy, Kashif Khan. And he's also our buddy, Usman. He's also picturizing the moments. What a wonderful area, yeah. Oh my God. Definitely the people who like and love adventure,
is also
who are courageous, yeah, peaceful.
Pakistan armies,
yeah, we pay tribute to our soldiers.
Yes.
Pakistani army, Pakistan military, Pakistani government. They are also wildlife department also. They are also paying lot of attention on this area. And
people are very good.
People are very good. Yeah, definitely very welcoming. Their culture is absolutely unique. They are open-hearted. Oh my God. We have just tried that we could convey the message to our global friends and our Pakistani community that Pakistan is no doubt maybe one of the most beautiful.
Full of mysteries, full of beauty, full of mountains, full of mountain ranges, lots of beauty.
Lots of beauty.
You find everything.
And what's the amazing thing is Pakistan is having that diversity of everything. Yeah, landscapes, landscapes
Sudden
and
weather change.
nature,
Sudden weather,
species,
yes.
certain yani on the one side of geography you are having something else, and on the other side, oh my god, you will experience something very different. Usman,
Yeah.
Everyone
So,
should come
yeah,
and see all Pakistan. Pakistan is very beautiful, very peaceful country. So should come.
yeah, and we have planned today,
nobody knows the
inshallah,
depth
to
of this lake either.
to pass the night in the camps right behind this peak. For this time, it's time to goodbye and best wishes. And
See you at the other side. See
see
you at
you
the other
at
side.
the other side
The
next
second
time.
largest plateau in the world.
3,700 square kilometers, this protected area, and the
Love you,
highest
Malik.
plateau. Love you, Bat,
Love you,
Kashi,
love you,
Usman,
love
and
you, love you,
Nadeem.
love you.
Hooray! Have fun, guys.